Playtime. Crash. Benny. Big mouth Benny. Benny, you're lucky you're cute. Marley. Hey, cutie with the dirty face. You little digger.
Have a good time, Benny? Yeah, it's better to be in with everybody else, huh? Oh my god, what a little shit. He just keeps digging
Layla. She's like, pet me, love me.
You're dirty! You got dirt on you from Marley digging. You were and you're eating dirt. She's still
Dirt
doing
breath.
Dirt.
Oh, who's this Pluto with the dirty face? Hey. Everybody relax.
Filthy! You're filthy! You're so filthy! All eating dirt.
Ah, dirt eaters.
What is in that hole?
Jeez.
What is in that hole?
Let's go back over here. Someone's digging something here.
Great.
Jeez. Get it, Marley. Get it. Get it. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Hey, Coco. Hey. Marley.
Pluto, can you move the other way? We can clean that dirt. Oh my god, her paws are full of mud! Your paws are disgusting! You have the dirtiest little paws!
But she's like, look at my face.
You're filthy! Get away!
I'm so cute.
You're filthy!
Cute.
Filthy!
Cute.
Oh, Marley.
Bella. Bella. You just want to play. Pacino. 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 Look at me with your cute face. Pacino. You little.
I know. One time you wanted to pay attention.
Yeah, really. Hey.
Hey! Don't grab on that hard for so long.
Bella.
Grabbing the cheek and holding on to it.
Marley. What are you doing? I just filled that hole in. Hey. Hey. Get out of there. Marley. You're so cute. Pearl. You got a hole here too, huh? Could everybody be getting tired? Hey. Hey, pretty girl.